Understanding execution score in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase in English, execution score. This term is often used in sports and other performance-related contexts, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. Execution score is a compound noun, combining execution and score. Execution refers to how well someone performs a task or activity, especially in terms of skill and precision. Score, in this context, means a numerical rating or assessment. Together, execution score evaluates the quality of a performance. This term is most commonly used in competitive scenarios, like gymnastics, diving, or figure skating. Judges award an execution score based on how well athletes perform their routines. Factors include technique, precision, and adherence to the rules of the sport. To understand it better, let's see some examples. The gymnast received a high execution score for her flawless routine. In figure skating, the execution score reflects the skater's technical skills. Understanding the execution score helps in appreciating sports and performances. It's not just about completing a routine. It's about how well it's done. This concept can be applied in various aspects of life, emphasizing the importance of quality in execution. I hope this video has helped you understand what execution score means and why it's important. Remember, it's not just about doing something, but doing it well. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.